Unlock the full potential of your phone's lock screen by learning how to add Widgetable and transform it into a dynamic hub of information and interaction. First things first, ensure you have the Widgetable app installed on your phone. If not, head over to your app store and download it. Now, wake up your phone screen and tap and hold anywhere on your lock screen. This will bring up the customization options. Look for an option to add widget or a plus icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open the widget gallery. In the widget gallery, scroll through the list until you find the Widgetable app. You might need to tap on the Widgetable icon to see its available widgets. Widgetable offers a variety of widgets, from tracking your steps and activity to managing your to-do lists and even displaying quotes. Browse through them and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've selected a widget, simply tap on it and then drag and drop it to your desired location on the lock screen. You can reposition it by tapping and holding it again. You can add multiple Widgetable widgets to your lock screen to curate a personalized experience. Arrange them logically for quick access. When you're happy with the placement of your Widgetable widgets, tap on the Done or Save button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. And there you have it. Your lock screen is now enhanced with Widgetable, giving you instant access to your most important information and a beautifully customized look. Enjoy your personalized mobile experience.